Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the Utechsmart Venus Gaming Mouse, a gaming mouse's disconnected error with the Venus mouse driver. So chances are you most likely download this driver off the official Utechsmart Venus website, and it says that your gaming mouse is disconnected despite it being connected, just like how it is for me right now. My mouse is currently connected, but it says it's disconnected, and as you can see, I could turn it off and I could go ahead and open it up again. And it says that it's still disconnected. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the error and why the error ended up happening in the first place. So let's first start off. You need to uninstall the program. So what you're going to do is go into the Windows search bar and type in add or remove programs. Pretty nice. You're going to go in and you're going to type in Venus inside of this search bar. What you're going to go ahead and see here is this, and you're just going to click uninstall. And it'll bring up this thing, and it's going to ask you, do you want to uninstall it? You click yes. You let it go through there, and it says it's been removed from your computer. And as you can see, now I don't have this anymore. Now, to install the correct driver that you need. So the first thing you want to do is go to this link that I'm going to drop in the description. It is a link to MediaFire from which you could download the files which you need. So as you can see, I'm going to quickly open up Chrome, and I'm going to go to my MediaFire link that I've set up right over here. You can click download, and yeah. So I'm going to go over here, and what you're going to want to do is click on Open With, and you're going to click Windows Explorer. You don't need any special software for this because this is just a simple zip file, and you're just going to click on the Extract All button. You're just going to make sure that this is the right destination, and you're just going to click Extract. And once it's complete extracting, you're going to have this folder on your desktop. This folder should have the following files. So what you're going to want to do is double click on the setup.exe file, and the thing will pop up, and you click yes. And you're just going to want to go through the installer like how you normally would. And we'll click next, check and make sure that this is the correct space, click next, and install. And it should go ahead and say run this, and click OK and finish. Make sure you check that so it will open up the driver. And as you can see over here, we now have the driver and it's working, and it's not saying that the mouse is disconnected. Everything is perfectly fine. You got this. I can change the lights. It's changing. I can change the DPI, and I've got all the standard, stuff that comes with the driver. So, now your driver should be working, and now you can customize your mouse to whatever needs that you need. And now I'm going to quickly go ahead and give an explanation about why this works and why your previous driver did not. Now you can click away from the video if you're not really interested in this, but I'll just quickly explain. So if you go to add or remove programs again, and you were to go in here, and it still says Venus, I'm just going to retype it, you're going to go ahead and see the new driver. What you're going to see is that it says version 1.1. The previous driver was actually version 3.0. Now, in case you're wondering, I bought my mouse quite a while back, a few years. I don't know how many, but quite a long time ago. Anyways, because I do have an older version of the mouse, I do need the older driver, meaning that the 3.0 that's officially on the website just will not work. What the file that I put on MediaFire is actually an older version of the driver that I saved from a while back. So that is how you go ahead and fix this issue. I hope you guys enjoy the driver and enjoy your Utechsmart Venus mouse and all of its customizability. Thanks, subscribe, and like.